This is the Vivo Y30, a phone that stands out in a couple of things for its price. It is currently going for 1,098 Ghana cedis, which is close to $200. The price will vary depending on its specification as well as your residing country. What I have here is a 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage, as well as a 5000 Milliampere battery, among others. They call this version the Moonstone White, which is actually a plastic body build with a glass front. Let's get a bit into its details. This phone has an octa-core processor which is powered with a MediaTek Helio P35 chipset and runs on Funtouch OS based on Android 10. It has quad rear cameras that shoots up to 1080p at 30 frames per second in video mode. The quad cameras comprise of a 30 megapixels which is wide, there is an 8 megapixels which is ultra wide, there's also 2 megapixels which shoots macro and another 2 megapixels with a depth sensor. The selfie camera is 8 megapixels which is wide and shoots videos at 1080p at 30 frames per second. Both photos and videos from this camera was very impressive, I must say, for its price. Talking about the display, even from the angle I'm shooting at on my camera, you'll notice that the display isn't bad at all. It is a 720 by 1560 pixels LCD display with an IPS capability which still gives great display at different angles. The screen size is 6.47 inches with a 19.5:9 screen to body ratio. There is a fingerprint sensor at the back of the phone which is a few distance away from the cameras. It also has a facial unlock option available to enhance its security. Other features of this phone are a 5000 mAh battery life, a Type-C USB cable with a 10 watts charging capability which is also OTG enabled that allows you to charge other phones on the go. It also has a dual nano SIM slot, among others. To be able to test the performance level of this phone, I tried a resource demanding game on it and I must say I was impressed by its performance. Other things you might want to know about this phone is the frequent reminder on drinking of water as well as the Jovi Smart Scene feature. You know, the Vivo Y30 isn't bad at all and I'm very much impressed at what it's capable of. If you are considering a phone with a budget range of the Vivo Y30, I sure would recommend you check it out and let me know your thoughts about it. That is just about it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new and turn on the notification so that anytime I make a new video, you get to see it. My name is Ishmeal. Thank you very much for watching. I'm out.